Today I am talking about the stocks. This stocks price at this moment $355, and these stocks make today return approximately 1% return, more than 1% return. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 5 days, which is 5%, which is good. Today I am talking about how much return these stocks make. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see last 6 month return and last 1 year's return. You can see these stocks make very bad return. Last 5 years return, which is very bad, and maximum return you can see 1000% return these stocks make for investors. So these stocks make past performance is good, but at this moment these stocks are getting to rest. That's why these stocks not make good return, just because resting mood. So here you can see these stocks make how much return. So this stocks market valuation, which is 35,000 US dollar. So here you can see how much return in these stocks make for investors. So always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.